Me say swear on the dark boss. And me say turn up the dark boss. No, me say flash, spotlight, flash, spotlight. Go on, but if that like how you thief don't know. Sing diamonds in a chain and a lightning flash. King size bed, every girl wanna crash. Me sing turn up, yeah, me swag turn up, and everybody know me party till sun up. Flash, them living on me style like King Tut living at home. Free all me girls, population boom. Married to the money, me no jump no broom. Make money rain, call the girl soon. Sing a one song, say the thing them turn up. Girl turn up, swag turn up, money turn up. Then everything in the business turn up, buck and burn up. Popcorn, where you say the scheme turn up? Bounty, where you say your swag turn up? Never hear none of who say a CV set the trend. Who don't know me no zing. Yo, Flash, when I see them, you don't know say a CV there, representing for Spotlight TNT now. Yes, sir, me I say, dancehall music review to the world. Big up all the fans, all the supporters, them, you don't know the things set already. Yeah, man, right now, I'm host up and thing, you don't know the flow and thing, but yes, sir, me I say, well, go and beat that body, you don't know the things set already. Yeah, you don't know the thing, I have to go on, entertainment can't stop. Yeah, man, Babylon say, hey, what them say? No, man, them said, hey, yo, let me tell you a thing. I tell you what Babylon really say, yeah. Don't listen to Vice Cartel. Let me tell you what Babylon say. Babylon say jail for Gaza Slim. No, them say bail for Gaza Slim. Them say jail for Adi. No, them say no bail for Adi. Jesus Christ. So Gaza Slim get bail, people. You understand me? Them got caught today and thing and bag a thing and basically, you don't know, Vice Cartel things sticky with the murder charges and beatings and things and the conspiracy and all these things. So, he was once again remanded to return to court on February the 1st, as well as Gaza Slim too, but she get bail now and things. So, boy, Jano Star, he thinks sticky on the Gaza. You understand me, on the Gaza world boss. Still can't get no bail. It's been months after months now, you understand me? Spend Christmas and New Year's in a prison. You see me? Good luck spend all Valentine's Day in a prison and so on. You see me? I don't know what I'm going to do. If I'm going to make it out for Jamaican independence, if ever come out to ass cloth, the way the things sticky right now, people. You see me? I don't know what I'm telling you right now, cause it does bad. You understand me? The liar, them Tavares and them can't talk and strategize and make all sorts of plan, but it is evident that the system, police them, the Babylon them, either have some strong evidence or some strong will power plan to take him down by all means necessary. So it look like it's just inevitable that he's going down. You understand me? And anybody will try to hold him up, I'm going to go down with him basically. I look like that I go on for what I go on. Now if the fans and the media and whoever don't see that, well, me not blind. Me see what I go on. Understand me? But they want to make a statement and me say, yo, I'm going to say, yeah, man, I'm going to bust the charge. And me say, ask Clark. But I think the whole MTA bus line, them could bust a charge. Cause right now, it thing look away. We are telling about it, Jano Star. But, you don't know I keep on updating the you know about Mooney and Sean them, but we don't know if them now plan to get them be a leader and go to court, or the media does not care about them. Fever, make we know how to go with them. But, you know, when we know how to go on, me definitely make you know how to go on. The thing sticky right now. You see me, I say, I want to think, so. Right now, I say, big up all the fans, all the supporters, them. You see me, I say, and just keep tuning in, logging on to Spotlight TNT, you know, every day, you understand, because I'm maddest blood clot website on the planet, and I'm telling about it, and don't keep it as the best kept secret, or not telling your friends and everybody about it. You understand me? Everybody fi know about it. I know say the website not entertaining like this. The website not fun like this. You understand me? I answer the thing there. No hide, no go around it. You understand me? Spotlight TNT now.com. You understand me? I'm mad sitting. And before me cut out, new tune for first man. You understand me? It's the motherfucking takeover for 2012. And first man, we make them know so we now blood clot stop. And who don't like it if we gonna just kill them blood clot cell flash. Zinging on them blood clot ears, rocket propelled grenade launcher fly and fuck up them face. Love a neighbor. Cause you don't know say enough friend are just fake, you understand me? Yeah man, them time me say your fair friendship is wealth. You understand me, but you are going. Blood clot more time than friends like child and crosses the blood clot. Listen to the first one.
Yeah, best dance. Ready? Yeah, my boss. The hands are kick. Man. So let's just do this. Ooh, 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 ooh. And everybody I go like you. See for your own family we spite you. X-Factor your friend them we fight you. Everybody want a next man title. Me love me friends and me don't pretend. To the end of the world I will go for them. And be a lover when me show to them. Me never ever yet say no to them. But me find out say certain friend one black out me light like the curtain them. Me see say a lizard a croaking them. Thank God say me I judge a open them. So me love my neighbors them. Me love my sisters and my brother them. But sometimes me feel so afraid of them. Cause mankind is a terrible thing. And the people who you love the most have the ability to hurt you the worst. Me not care me I speak me words. Me not even trust me girl will live in me house. From the male to the female gender, everybody have an agenda. Down to me family member, try sell me out like a vendor. Sometimes it really get to me, cause me know say me virgin will stand next to me. Now want me fi fulfill me destiny. So thank you Jah for blessing me. And everybody I go like you. See for your own family we spite you. X-Factor your friend them we fight you. Everybody want a next man title. So me love my neighbors them. Me love my sisters and my brother them. But sometimes me feel so afraid of them. Cause mankind is a terrible thing. And the people who you love the most have the ability to hurt you the worst. Me not care me I speak me words. Me not even trust me girl will live in the house. I gave them my heart, gave them my heart, but that wasn't enough. They all wanna see me fall. Your enemies will hurt your flesh, but the people who you love the best will hurt your soul, and that's the worst feeling in the universe. And everybody I go like you. See for your own family we spite you. X-Factor your friend them we fight you. Everybody want a next man title. So me love my neighbors them. Me love my sisters and my brother them. But sometimes me feel so afraid of them. Cause mankind is a terrible thing. And the people who you love the most have the ability to hurt you the worst. Me not care me I speak me words. Me not even trust me girl will live in the house.